Have you ever wondered how Mexico's iconic football jerseys are made? Let's explore every fascinating factory step. Everything begins with tiny polyester pellets, carefully selected for durability, lightweight performance, and long-lasting athletic comfort. These polyester pellets are melted at high temperature into a large bath. The melted polyester passes through microscopic holes, forming thousands of ultrafine synthetic fibers with incredible precision every second. Powerful stretching machines strengthen every fiber, increasing durability before spinning them into premium quality sports yarn. Thousands of yarn cones are produced daily, providing the essential material for Mexico's future football jerseys. The yarn enters advanced computerized knitting machines that create lightweight, breathable, and flexible performance fabric. Before manufacturing begins, designers create every detail digitally using advanced computer-aided design software. Detailed tech packs define artwork, exact colors, logo placement, sizing, fabrics, trims, and production instructions.
Voiceover engineers carefully grade patterns to guarantee every jersey size fits consistently from XS through XXL.
Design elements are combined into one master layout featuring Mexico's bold green identity and cultural inspiration. High-resolution digital plotters print colorful jersey artwork onto special transfer paper using ecological inks. Every line, pattern, logo, and color is printed with exceptional precision before heat transfer begins. Massive rotary presses apply intense heat and pressure to permanently transfer every printed design. Unlike surface printing, sublimated colors never crack, peel, or fade during years of demanding use. After printing, completed fabric rolls move directly into the precision cutting department for the next stage. Computer-controlled cam cutters produce perfectly shaped jersey panels with outstanding speed and remarkable accuracy every time. Laser cutting seals the fabric edges instantly, preventing fraying while improving production efficiency and quality. Every cut panel is sorted carefully before skilled sewing operators begin final jersey assembly. Experienced operators assemble each section using specialized industrial sewing machines built for sportswear manufacturing. Flat lock stitching creates smooth seams that reduce skin irritation and improve comfort throughout every football match. Overlock stitching strengthens every seam, ensuring outstanding durability through countless games, training sessions, and washes. Collars, sleeve trims, and neck tape are carefully attached to complete the jersey's professional appearance. Approved jerseys are professionally steamed and pressed, giving every shirt its crisp, premium retail presentation. Each jersey is folded, packaged, labeled, and prepared carefully for shipment to football fans around the world. From polyester pellets to world-class performance wear, this is how Mexico's legendary football jerseys come to life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.